In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix BlueStacks black screen. We will walk through a few simple options inside BlueStacks, and by the end your app should stop loading into a blank black window. To begin, look at the BlueStacks home screen inside the emulator window. You should see several icons, including one called System Apps. Now click on System Apps. When you open it, a small panel or folder appears, usually with icons for settings, media manager, and sometimes a browser. This area works like a basic toolkit that BlueStacks provides for controlling what happens inside the virtual Android system. From there, move your attention to the System Apps list and click on Settings. Inside Settings, you will see different categories such as Network, Device, and Apps on the left or in a list. Go to Apps. When you enter the Apps section, BlueStacks shows all the Android apps installed inside the emulator, both system apps and any games or tools you added. If your list is long, you may need to scroll to find what you want, and the names here match the icons on your BlueStacks home screen. Next up, look through this list and select the affected app, the one that opens as a black screen. Click its name once. Its app info page will open, usually showing the app icon at the top, with buttons like Force Stop, Uninstall, and Storage. Here you can see how much space the app uses and what kind of data it stores. If you pick the wrong app by mistake, you can always go back one screen and choose the correct one. With the App Info panel open, find and click Storage. The storage page shows how much space the app itself uses and how much is taken by user data and cached data. Cached data is temporary information the app saves to start faster or keep images and files handy. When this cache gets corrupted, the app may open to a black screen instead of loading correctly. At this point, you are ready to clear that temporary data. Click Clear Cache. The cached data value should drop to 0 almost instantly, and nothing else on the screen needs to be confirmed. Clearing cache does not remove your account, progress, or main app data. It only removes temporary files. Many beginners confuse Clear Cache with Clear Data, but here you are only using Clear Cache, which is the safer option. Now close Settings and try opening the same app again inside BlueStacks, and you should see the normal loading screen instead of a black one. You have just fixed a BlueStacks black screen problem by clearing the cache of the affected app through System Apps and Settings. If this helped you get your app visible again, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple BlueStacks fixes.